Hi, if you're kind of struggling with the worksheet that I gave you guys on using ratio equations, let me do the first three problems with you guys so you can maybe see it a little bit better. Okay, so the first one, it says every pint is 2 cups. So if you take a look at that information right there, we're going to use that as part of our ratio. And I'm going to try to underline this. Okay, that's not working. So bear with me, guys. I need to put it on the drawing tool. All right, so every pint is 2 cups. So that's why I put on the paper, let me see if I can zoom up on this. Let me go up a little bit further here. So that's why on the paper I put 1p or pint is equal to 2 cups. So I'm just going to abbreviate C for cups. This other part of the information that says this can be expressed using the equation, I'll show you that in just a second, but I'll show you an easier method. So this is what you're going to do. So if I wanted to find out the total cups in 7 pints, I can make an equivalent by putting 7 pints up on top because it's associated to our first number up on top. So if I say, well, what's my pattern to go from 1 to 7? I know I'm multiplying by 7. So if I take 2 times 7, this is how I end up with 14 cups. Here's also another little nifty message. Right over here is that it's basically telling you you're going to take 2 times your 7, and that's how you get your 14 cups. So for number 2, if you want to find out how many ounces there are in 3 pounds, all you're doing is taking your 3 pounds times your 16 ounces. So 1 pound, abbreviated as LB, is the same thing as 16 ounces, OZ. Same thing as 3 pounds to some missing number over here. So remember, you can figure out, look at a pattern. 1 to 3 is times 3, so 16 times 3, this must be 48 ounces. Number 3, it says every gallon is 4 quarts. So I can put 1 gallon, 4 quarts. So if I want to find out how many quarts are in 6 gallons, 6 gallons would go up on top since it is associated to the gallons up here. It's labeled. Look at my pattern. 1 times 6 equals 6. So 4 times 6 also must be 24 quarts. Okay. So with the equation, if you use the equation method, all you're doing is taking your 4 times your 6. That's what you are actually doing in each one of these problems. Your 16 times your 3. 2 times your 7. So the rest of the problems, just put your answers right over here. So hopefully I've explained that just a little bit better for you guys. If not, let me know. Thanks.